Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be nuking one of those light-up dollar store toys. And this little guy's excited about the opportunity to go into the microwave. Look at how he lights up. And I saw something similar with a toy caterpillar on is it a good idea to microwave this. So I'm expecting this little guy should yield similar results when he goes inside of Lindsay, the microwave. Alright, now let's put this little guy into the microwave. Hoping he provides a nice show just like that caterpillar did. That wasn't as cool as the caterpillar. The caterpillar burped and went up and down, up and down, up and down. That, all it did was burp a little bit, and it caught fire instantly. I'm going to have to declare this a disappointing idea. I'll show you the final results once the dust settles. Right, now let's examine what happened. Oh, it's like our caterpillar, it scoops up like cake batter. I'm so tempted to declare this a good idea because of that, but no. This is a bad idea. Don't ever do this at home. Actually, because the way it flared up so quick, I would say really bad idea. I was thinking I'd get at least a little bit of a show before that happened, but wanted enough left over to make something out of it. Sorry I didn't give you as much microwaving as I was hoping to, but I guess that's life.